Hi everyone, this is your new geography textbook, Resources and Development. There are 8 chapters in class 8 geography. All chapters mainly focus on different types of resources. So the first chapter gives an introduction about resources and its classification. The lesson begins with a conversation between a mother and her two children, Mona and Raju. Mona and Raju, they were helping mother to clean their house. Mona found a lot of things at home like clothes, utensils, food grain, combs, bottle of honey, books, etc. Each of these has use, she said. That's why these are important, said Amma. And she called. All these things are resources. Then Raju asked to Amma, what is resource? Anything that can be used to satisfy a need is a resource, mother said. Look around you and observe. We can identify many types of resource: water, tree, books, clothes, electricity, pen, rickshaw, vegetables, forest, etc. All these resources have something in common. They have all been used by us. So they have utility. It means these resources are able to satisfy a particular need. This utility makes an object a resource. For example, water. We use it for drinking, washing, bathing, cleaning, etc. And water is able to satisfy all these needs. Another example, electricity. We use it for communication. For communication, we use different medias. Phone, TV, radio, etc. So, we need electricity to operate these devices. So, electricity satisfies our daily needs. Then, book. Books are part of our every daily life. We use book for reading, writing, getting knowledge and so on. I think now you understand utility. Utility or usability is what makes an object or substance a resource. How does something become a resource? Things become resources when they have value. A resource gains its value by its use or utility. All resources have some value. For example, water is used for drinking, food for eating, forest, wood, soil, agriculture. We cannot think a life without these things. So, it's make them valuable. What is the meaning of value? Value means worth or usefulness or the importance of something. There are two types of values: economic value and aesthetic value. Economic value means it is a measure of the benefit provided by a goods or services to an economic agent. For example, mineral resources. They have a great economic value because they provide raw materials to the all sectors of economy. Then forest. It provides wide range of economic benefit. Then next, aesthetic value. Aesthetic means pleasant, positive or artful appearance of a person or a thing. Aesthetic value related to the appearance of an object and the emotions that object causes. For example, a beautiful landscape. We get a pleasant feeling. We feel better emotionally. We can reduce all negative feelings when we see a beautiful landscape. Another examples are a sunset of beach, a beautiful painting, flowers. All these resources make us happier. So, both are important and satisfy human needs. I think now you understand what is the difference between economic value and aesthetic value. Some resources can become economically valuable with time. Example, medical plants, home remedies have no economic values today. If they are patented and sold a medical fame tomorrow, they could become economically valuable. What is patent? It means exclusive rights over any idea or invention. A patent is the granting of a property right by a sovereign authority to an inventor. Patent is a legal document that is granted by the government of the state or the country, depend on the national rules. Suppose you have invented a software based game or any new machine. As an inventor, if you have a patent, you will get exclusive rights over your invention. Then take page number 2, first paragraph. Time and technology are two important factors that can change substances into resources. Time is an important factor in making a substance resource. Because resources developed according to the needs of people. The needs of people can differ time to time. Example, wind. It was just a substance few years ago. Now it is an important resource for generating energy. People themselves are the most important resource. It is their ideas, knowledge, inventions, and discoveries that lead to the creation of more resources. Each discovery or invention leads to many others. For example, the discovery of fire led to the practice of cooking. Invention of wheel resulted in developments of newer modes of transport. The next, technology. Technology of hydroelectricity made rivers a resources for generating electricity. Okay, in today's class we have learned what are resources, what makes an object a resource, what is utility. Moreover, we have discussed what are the two types of values, economic values and aesthetic values, and how a resource become economically valuable with the time. Finally, about the two important factors, time and technology, that can change substances into resources. So I'm giving some questions for assessing yourself, and these are your questions. Try to answer all questions, and we will see next video. Okay, thank you everyone.